Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can create all social media's trending photo effect with artificial intelligence. In this video I will show you how you can use artificial intelligence to create all the trending photos, all the trending templates of all social media with your photo and also with your mobile phone. To create AI generated trending photos, let's go to the Play Store. On the Play Store, download ToonMe Cartoons from Photos, this app. From here, install this app and open. You will find this interface. These are the top you can create your own photos like these templates. There is a lot more. It's loading and loading and loading. You can go with the trending. These are the trending. Here you will find a lot of templates, and here is the recently which template is mostly used. You will find it here. Now I will show you how you can convert your photo into trending. This one is really creative. Let's make this with our own photo. Tap on the faces button to select your face. You can go with your gallery, select one photo. Let's crop this a little bit. Okay, and tap on the arrow from the bottom right corner and it will processing. Wait a few minutes. The app will generate your photo with artificial intelligence. Yes, here you find that. This is really amazing. Tap on the share icon and tap the download button from below. It's downloaded. And let's try another trending templates. I really like this one. Let's try this. Select your face, go to the gallery, select your photo, crop a little bit, and then let's go. Friends, it is generated and it's look nice, I think. By this way you can try more trending templates on this app and share your views. Please give a like and share this video to your friends so that they can also create their own photos, so that they can generate their photos with artificial intelligence. That was our today's video. Thanks for watching.